So, good day, sir. This is my presentation about the activity matrix po. The Beauty Care Nail Enhancement Technology Services and City Training Plan po is a 234-hour program designed to prepare trainees for professional work in the nail care industry po. The training combines po classroom instruction with hands-on industry practice through our dualized mode of delivery po, including lecture, simulations, demonstrations, self-paced learning, and on-the-job training po. So the program po cover the three competencies po, which is the basic competencies, common competencies, core competencies po. So here's the basic competencies po, such as a workplace communication po, team leadership, problem solving, information management, and entrepreneurial skills po. It is also developed po the common competencies po, including effective client relations, personal performance management, quality standard, and maintaining a safe and efficient workplace po. So the heart of the program lies in its core competencies. So where trainees gain practical expertise in preparing product and tools, performing nail enhancement services such as advanced nail art, restoration and removal, and conducting post-service activities like sanitation po and storage and also documentation po. So assessment are carried out through written and oral test po. So demonstration, observation, portfolio reviews, and case studies po. So training is delivered in TESDA accredited facilities and partner salons po, equipped with complete nail technology kits, safety and sanitation tools po, and modern instructional resources. So, session are held on weekdays po from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., ensuring a balance of theory and practice to fully develop the skill required in the beauty care profession po. That's all, sir. Thank you po.